Alright? You keep that ski mask on or...
Bro,
where you garbage at? No win, bro! Hey! And this he's saying crazy, you let me know! Stay like that, bro!
Rich barely get bitches. You get bitches, but barely.
you give me the vibe of just like, you a lover boy, bro. Like, you really want her to really, like, passionately, like, fuck with you, bro. And I be on that timing, too, bro. I be feeling you, like, I don't really care about no trees, blah, blah, like, I don't really care about that.
You don't get bitches.
Oh, you're right. Facts.
You a fucking, if you don't got 3 STDs, bro, I chop my dick off.